Singapore schools from primary to junior college levels will conduct one day of home-based learning a week starting April as the COVID-19 pandemic worsens. Education Minister Ong Ye Kung said this is to ensure safe distancing and prepare students and parents should the situation call for such learning arrangements to be extended. Vanessa Lim with more.
From next week, all primary school students will do home-based learning on Wednesday, those in secondary school on Thursday, and junior college students on Friday. Now, this is part of new measures just announced by the Education Ministry to support safe distancing measures and fight the COVID-19 pandemic. MOE says it's up to schools and teachers to decide how they want to conduct home-based learning, so students may attend lessons via live video conferencing, using online learning platforms like the Student Learning Space, or self-study using textbooks. Education Minister Ong Ye Kung didn't rule out increasing the number of days for home-based learning if needed, but he stressed that learning must continue. He added that assessments will be adjusted if needed.
So whether it's PSLE, NO, A-level, if there need to be some adjustments, we can. You take, for example, if really curriculum time is squeezed, certain topics, for example, can be taken out of the exam. During grading, you can also take into account that this topic was not taught. So these are some of the adjustments we can still make so that exams can continue and continue to be fair to all our students.
Mr. Ong said he expects teething issues as some students may need help with home-based learning and parents may face disruptions to their work. So schools will still remain open for a small group of students whose parents are not able to secure alternative childcare arrangements. Priority will be given to those in essential services like healthcare and transport. And a small group of teachers, about 20%, will be there to supervise these students while the rest will work from home. As for those who don't have access to digital devices, schools will assist them by loaning out these devices and, if need be, posting materials to them. MOE also says schools will stagger dismissal times on other days so that there won't be large number of students congregating. Now, to reduce the risk of intermingling of students from different schools, MOE previously switched center-based learning at premises like language centers to home-based learning. This will continue until the end of Term 2. And co-curricular activities and other external events that involve mingling of students across schools will remain suspended for the rest of Term 2. The Singapore Youth Festival Arts presentation will also be cancelled.